Before you, I knew happiness. But with you, I discovered peace. I discovered home. Year 2009, MU lang tayo noon. Walang kasiguraduhan. Walang label. Pero kahit unofficial, ikaw na talaga. It has always been you.
Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ko lang sa aking mata.
Among all the speeches and letters I've ever written, this one took the longest. Because how do you capture 16 years in a single vow? I was still in elementary when I first prayed to God that if marriage was part of His plan for me, He would bless me with the right man.
Loren, do you take Mario here present to be your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Bishop, I do.
Mario, do you take Loren here present to be your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Bishop, I do.
16 years of growing up together. 16 years ng tampuhan, kulitan, tuyuan, iyakan, tawanan, at endless na maarte at suplada moments mo.
I wanna live like this forever until the sky falls down on me. I'll be a dream, I'll be a wish, I'll be a fantasy. I'll be a hope, I'll be your love, be everything that you
Like any love story, ours is not perfect. We've faced fights and misunderstandings, moments that tested us, moments that almost made us give up. But I've learned something true. Choosing who to marry isn't for the easy days or calm seas. It's for the storms, the mess, the moments that challenge us. And still, we choose each other every single time.
you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea. I wanna lay like this forever until the sky falls down on me. Until the sky falls down on me. Until the sky falls down on me.
Today, I choose you, not for the easy days, but for every day, in every circumstance, for all that we are and all that we will be together.
I wanna stand with you on a mountain. I wanna bathe with you in the sea.
Ikaw ang pahinga ko, ikaw ang tahanan ko, ikaw ang habang buhay ko. And today in front of everyone, I choose you again and again.
My dear brothers and sisters, may I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Mario Ray Vicks and Loren Teres Parangan Vicks. Mario, you may now kiss your wife.
Everything you left unspoken, let me know the secrets of our heart wide open. I will never leave your side. Hold you closer, be your comfort. Take the weight of both our shoulders. I wouldn't hold you closer, hold you closer. I wouldn't hold you closer, hold you closer. Indigo, side of you that you're not showing. Everglow, there's a beauty in all these.
You are my answered prayer. And today, I give myself to you completely as we begin this lifelong journey together. Mario Ray, I love you always and every day.